What's going on, you guys? Today I'm going to be doing a review of a super rare Bop It, and I mean super rare. This is the Bop It XT Carabiner, the smaller version of the standard Bop It XT. These were made in 2013 and they didn't last for long at all. I've never seen one in a store. You can only get them online, and there's hardly any of them on eBay. I got one of the very last ones that was on eBay. New ones on Amazon are like $200, and used ones on Amazon are like $50 or whatever, but they're not very they're pretty expensive if you want to get a new or used one. But I got this one for like 20-something bucks on eBay, and it just arrived today. Or actually, it arrived like 2 days ago, but I was on vacation, so I actually just opened it today. But excuse me, it's very similar to the regular Bop It XT, only it's smaller, of course. You can't disable the shake it mechanism. And it has a carabiner clip if you want to like clip it onto a backpack or something, and it's really cool. It works really nicely, and it doesn't make like a super loud snapping sound when you close it. The only thing that's different about this Bop It is that there's no pass it, party, or one-on-one mode. It's only solo, and there are still volume controls. There's still novice, expert, master, and pro, but there's the pro level does not work. You can sort of get it to work, which I'll show you later in the video, but it's very difficult to get the pro level to work. But yeah, this is just going. I'm just gonna start playing it. So how's it blasting?
Expert, master, pro, novice, high score, 15. Bop it, twist it, pull it, spin it, flick it, shake it, bop it, pull it. Oh. Score 7. Expert, master.
I'm doing the master level.
High score 12. Yellow, blue, orange, purple. Oh, score 6.
I'll try the pro level.
Pro, high score 1. Black, yellow. Go. Spin it.
Doesn't really work.
Flick it. Shake it. Go. Twist
It only really responds to the last move.
Go. Oh, score 2.
But you can see it doesn't work like it's supposed to. But
Novice, X master, high score 12.
I'll also be playing the master level for a little bit.
Bop it. Pull it. Spin it. Flick it. Shake it. Bop it. What? Score 7.
Kind of have to be doing it this way to do the pull it.
Twist. Pull it. Up. Grip. Bop it. Yellow. Spin it. Flick it. Shake it.
Oh.
Score 11. Pro.
I'll try pro again.
High score 2. Bop it. Blue. Go. Flick it. Go. Green. Shake it. Go. What?
Oh.
Score 2.
Anyway, you can see the pro level doesn't work that great, but yeah, that's really just my short review of the Bop It XT Carabiner. I'll put a link to it. Actually, I'm probably not going to put a link because you can find them on Amazon and eBay, but they're pretty expensive and there are very few of them, so if you want one, you better get online now. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.